Hey guys, Cameron over at 816Diesel, coming at you live downtown Kansas City, Missouri in the West Bottoms, the historical West Bottoms of Kansas City. We're doing a cold start walk around video today. Not my typical diesel, but you know we love these 4Runners, so we do a lot of them. And we've got a very cool, unique one in front of us today. It is a 07 Urban Runner. Urban Runner 4-wheel drive. Kind of a cool little special package they did, and Toyota did not do a lot of aftermarket packages with these 4Runners, so they are extremely rare amongst the TRDs, Urban Runners. A lot of cool options on the truck. We're going to be cold starting it today and kind of going over everything and checking out some of these options. It says there's a window button. Oh, we got remote window on this rear here, which is pretty cool. Something as being a truck guy I don't get, because that's awesome. Does it go up? Double click to go up, huh? Now we'll get to it. I don't even know what I'm doing here. Well, let's hop into this cold start. We're going to start with the inside. Black leather and gray suede. One of the perks of an Urban Runner, which is one of the rarest interiors. Floor mat, it has some wear on it, you know, it's an Urban Runner, it's a 4Runner. Guys use these, drive them in conditions. So, and it is winter time, so whew, it is cold out. Let's get going here. 169,640 on the miles, and as you can see, fire's right up. It's not fully cold. I did have to drive it from our shop, which is right down there around the corner. So it's not fully cold, but it's not a warm truck. Fire's right up. It has no check engine lights. It's one of the nicest, cleanest 4Runners you are going to find for your money as far as condition, options, rareness, all that. It's one of the best. So one of the cool features is a factory Toyota, I believe it's Tomtom Radio. Yeah, it says it right there, Tomtom. So that's detachable GPS. If you're out in the mountains doing some hiking and you need to take your GPS with you, your nav screen detaches that simply with the click of a button. So really cool feature for an outdoor enthusiast that spends time out in the mountains or on the rivers or whatever they do. Digital maps. Good to have, but it still doubles as a nice sound system. We've got radio. It's got MP3, Bluetooth, all that good stuff on there, satellite ready. We got nice hot heat, cold AC that works. As you saw earlier, we do have the power window, which just works fine from right here. We've got 4-wheel drive on the fly, 2 key fobs, 2 remotes, or 2 keys and 2 key fobs. It's loaded with all the good options: power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got the black burl wood trim, which is very nice looking. You got all your stereo volume controls on the steering wheel. And of course, we do have a slider on it, fully sunroof equipped. It is the hardest loaded 4Runner you can buy as far as options for this year. Let's see here. Center console does some weird things. I'm really not even sure that comes out to a table. Then it lifts up there. Little cubby there, downhill. Pretty much it. See here, just a little storage cubby there. And in the glove box, you got your owner's manual up there, little paperwork, locking glove box. All the seats are in great condition, as you can tell. Sorry, it's cold out today, guys. What do we got for temp? Oh, it doesn't say it up there. About 30 degrees out. You can see there's some snow on the edge of the road. It's melting a little bit, slush out. But let's pop under the hood here, take a walk around the body of this bad boy and see what we're working with. Again, like I said, it's one of the nicest you're gonna find, so not a lot to point out. There is some paint fade on the paint here. This panel is flat and faces upwards on the sun. It's the only paint fade I found on the truck, but it's just plastic, so it's an easy touch up. Super clean under the hood. VVTi V6, great motor. Nice and quiet. Current on all its fluids. Went through the suspension, leveled the 4Runner out with a 2-inch and a 3-inch leveling kit. You got factory by Xenon projectors, fog lights, SR5 hood. Obviously it's an SR5 model. We're taking off on this one. I didn't clarify that at the beginning, but it is an SR5 Toyota 4Runner built with the Urban Runner package. So you got the hood scoop, the sunroof. We've got a set of 18-inch, what are they? Mozzie wheels, I think. I can't really tell. It's upside down. And we put a brand new set of 285, what do we got on here? 285 70/18, which is a little bit bigger than the 33. That is our Amp Terrain Pro 60,000 mile warranty on that tire. They're brand new. They got 3 miles on them. Tinted the windows up. Got a nice set of Nerf bars from the factory. This is a Southern truck. I believe it came out of Tennessee, so there is no rust on this 4Runner. Nicest condition you can imagine. It has it. Frame, everything. I mean, there's surface rust, but there's no rot. Like, it's not shredded out anywhere. Let's look at the cab corners there. Yeah, see, they're nice. You got some surface on there though. It's not a brand new one, but no holes, no rust on the body. All your VIN tags are in there. Back seat's real nice. It's got a fold down here. Got rear vents. Super clean all around. There's no damage to point out on this body side. I'm trying to find any for you. LED tail lights, which come factory. Lift assist on the hatch here. It goes up for you. It's got the factory mat. It's got a divider. It's got the pull out rolling locking tonneau, which pretty simply just, not as simple as one-handedly, but hides anything you need to hide back there. Trailer hitch. Wiper, spoiler. Again, not a lot of bad to point out. I'm just kind of walking around showing you the condition here, giving you my 2 cents on it. I like this a lot just because obviously we like to buy rare trucks with cool little black wood grain trim and do them up a little fancy, a little more aggressively. You do got a ding here. I think the camera's picking it up. You can see it. One little dinger. Just super nice all around. I'll get you a look down here on this side. You see a little bit of rust on the surface down there. I'm gonna say it's not flawless, but it's definitely a good start for a used 4Runner, because these things can get pretty rusty depending on where they're at in the world. But guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope it gave you a good sense of condition on this truck. Again, we're 816 Diesel. We're located in downtown Kansas City in the West Bottoms, as you can tell. Head over to my website, 816diesel.com. On there, you're going to find pictures, VIN number, price, all the information you could be wondering. It's on my website, so check it out, 816diesel.com. If you're interested in the truck, call me, text me. My name's Cameron, 913-735-3748. We're downtown Kansas City, Missouri, I-35 and I-70 in the West Bottom. So I appreciate your time as always, guys. Happy New Year. Stay warm out there, be safe, and hit that subscribe button. Give us a follow, notifications, turn them on, subscribe. We got more 4Runners coming up. We got some pretty sweet diesel trucks coming up in the month of January, so give us a follow, and thank you again for your time. Goodbye.